Hi guys, today we will talk about how to clear Reddit cache on your settings. You just click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and you just scroll down, you click here on apps, then we come to apps window here like you say, and you just go down here to looking for Reddit app here in this window. We will just go down here to find Reddit app and you can only search for it and we will click here on Reddit. Then we come to next window here like you say, then you just click here on force stop, then you click here on OK and you just go down, you click here on storage and you click here on clear cache and it's going to clear Reddit and it's going to clear Reddit cache here in this window when you click here on cache. So that's it's going to fix your problem. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all Reddit settings.